Hello, welcome to this video. So in this video, I am going to present my application, household services application, which is constructed under the application development course project of IITM BS degree in diploma level. So let's begin the exploration of this application. So as of now, I am at the home page of this application, and it offers me uh, three main buttons and one login button. So I will take you through all of these. So starting with, there is a sign up as customer, which will help me to register as a customer in this website. Then it is a sign up as professional there, which will similarly help me to register as a professional on the page. Then it is a login in as admin. This will be applicable to only the administrators of this application. They can just log in to the admin page with this. On the top right corner, there is a login page for both customers and professionals. So from there, after the registration in the sign up pages, the registered customer or professional can log in to the page, to the respective dashboards. So beginning with, I will just show you take you through for both customer and professional. So let's starting with a customer. So I'm now signing in as a customer. There is a sign up as customer. So it's a registration. So and registration, I'm just telling my name as a customer. On email, I can take something. satyam@gmail.com, and this is the email. This will be the password, and I'm registering as the customer, so the role will be obviously the customer. And as the user address, I will paste this. So now I will click on register, and it will register me as a customer. So yeah, the registration is successful. Now I can log into the customer page from this. So the email I registered, I guess, was satyam@gmail.com. I hope it will take me to the customer dashboard. So yeah, now I am onto the customer dashboard of this application. And to begin with, I'm just being welcomed here, welcome with my name on the navigation bar. And apart from this, I have a lot of options as of now on the navigation page. There is a home button which will take me back to the home page from where I have begun the story. Then there is a profile button which will take me to the profile section of my page, which will show a bit of my profile details related to it. Then it is services section. Services section will be the various available services for me. In the booking sections, it will take me through the booking history which I have made through this application. Summary will be taken for the graphical representation of the same. Then there is a logout option which will log me out of this dashboard. So to begin with, that was a navigation bar which I will be keep you informed. But as of now, in the first appearance of this dashboard, the page customer page, I am having a few categories for which the services are available. There is a repairing services, electricity services, servicing for your cars and motorcycles, then house furnishing, a lot of options. So I'm just starting with an electricity services. I am just going with electricity repairing. So I will just click on the electricity services category. And now I am on the electricity repairing services. So this is the electricity repairing service, which is available on this page of the electricity category. So this is having a price of 1,000 per hour. So on clicking on the book button, it will book me a service for electricity repairing to my address. So I will just click on book. And now after clicking book, the page has refreshed, which means I have successfully booked the electricity repairing service. Where I can check it, of course, I can check it from the booking section. So there is a booking section. When I will click on this, I will be taken through the history of my booking. So I clicked on it, and now I can see that this was the request ID. This is the date of request, 30 October 2024. and this is the service name. So I have requested for electricity repairing services to the professional, and the status is still pending. And there is a edit option also to the service request which I have made. After the service has been completed, I can rate a service by clicking on the review button. So as of now, there is no request. The request has been sent to the professional ID with this professional PR001. So he has now the option to either accept or reject my service request. So this was this. So after the booking, I will be having if I submit the review, there will be a review history also in the same page just below the booking. Then in the summary, on clicking the summary, I will see there is a total request. I have made one request, no completed request so far, so it's still null. But on the pending request, I have one, because the request I just made, electricity service, is not accepted by the professional, so it is still null. Now clicking on the profile section, it will take me through my profile. So this is my profile, my ID, my email, my name, my address, everything, and I can edit it as well. Clicking on the edit profile option, it will take me through. So edit the thing and then save. So so far I will not change anything. I'm happy with it. So that's it is. So that was the page for me and the customer. On the booking, I will, as I've showed it, and the services, there is a lot of services apart from electricity repairing. There is AC repairing option, car servicing, house repairing, a lot of options with the prices and the professional assigned to the particular services. Whenever I click on the book button, it will book a service for me. For example, one more service I just want to book. I just want to book meal cooking. So when I click on the meal cooking, I can book, or maybe I can book a car driving service to professional ID 005, which is 800 per hour. So I will click on book, and the page refreshes, which means again the booking has been made. On the booking page, I can also see, verify it, that the booking has been made, car driving services, and it's still pending. So that was all from the customer dashboard. Now what I will do, that I will take you through the professional page, from where I can show you the professional dashboard, the professional viewpoint of this application. So I'm just logging out of this customer page from this logout button. One more thing that I want you to tell, I can also search for services with the services name. So just in case if I want just electricity services, I could click on electricity and press on search button. Now I can see just the electricity related services are available for me. This is electricity repairing. So I can record it from here. Now I am logging out of the page. Now once again I am back to the home page after logging out from the customer dashboard. And on the home page, I had the option of professionals. So I already have a lot of professionals, but to prove the sign up option, I will just show you a brief. You can register from here, a professional name, a professional email ID, a password. From role, you will select this time professional, because you are registering as a professional. So you will show up professional here. A role, an address, I can type it something just in case, like this. And then you will have the option to select the service type which you are offering as a professional on this application. So you have a lot of options. Either you are electricity expert, plumbing department expert, painting, carpentry, a lot of options which you are related to as a professional. The professional can select and move further. Then he will have to give the experience of the related service, then the description about the service which he have made so far, and then he will have to attach the verification documents, particularly the IDs, to verify he is an authorized professional. And then on the clicking the register button, it will register the professional. I have already registered a lot of professional already for the website to be keep working. So I will just take you to the login page where I will log in as a professional, already registered professional. So this is the login page. Now I'm registering. So if you remember, I just made a request to professional 5, I guess. So I think it was a driving services from the customer that I just registered a bit moment ago. So now I am logging in as to the profile of that same professional from this login page. So now I have logged into the professional page. So this is my professional page. You can see it. On the professional page, you can see there are the first thing. It is the professional dashboard writing on the left top. In the navigation bar, I have again the option of home, which will take me back to the home page. Then I have the services, which will show me the services that I have made, services history, the summary, graphical summary, the profile section of my account, and the logout option. So now there is a available services request option. In the available services request option, I have the all the request available, which is made from the various customer to this professional. So just I think I just made a bit moment ago, I made a car driving services request from the customer ID 008 and still pending. So I have three options. I can view more details about this request. I can accept or I can decline. So I'm just viewing it first, the request. So I will click on view, and on clicking the view, I will get the service request details. This is made by Satyam Saurabh. Just I registered this customer in a few minutes ago. So this is my customer details from where he have to visit, and this is the service request that he has requested for the car driving services on this date. Now, after viewing the service, I have the option to either accept or decline the request. So if I click on accept, it will accept the request. So I'm just clicking on the accept, and now it has disappeared from there and it has moved to my services, accepted services. So this is my services, which is accepted car driving services. Just now I have accepted it. So it is now in the accepted. But there is another service available in the services request. This is from customer 12, made on the same date. So if I choose to decline this request, maybe just because of time constraint or some distance option of the location, so I'm just declining. So where it will go, I will click on decline and it has disappeared. So as of now, I have already viewed and actioned the request made by the customer. So there is no available new services request. It has already either been accepted or rejected. So now I will click on the services. So there is nothing on accepted new. In the decline, I had just declined a car driving request from this customer. So it has now moved to decline services. On clicking the summary option, it will now give me a graphical overview of the same. That so far I have made I have got 12 services requests, from which I have completed 8, rejected 4, no request is still pending. So this is the graphical overview of the professional dashboard service request. In the profile section, I will get a profile dashboard and of the professional dashboard of the profile section. It is again the profile ID, the profile email ID, the professional name, the service type, and the address, pin code, and the statistics. In the statistics, it is 12 requests so far has been made, 8 has been completed, 4 has been rejected. So it is as the same. Now I have again the option of logging out of the page or going back to the home. So I'm just going back to the home page. I just want to show you once again how the customer I just registered, the request which I have just accepted, what is the status there. So I'm just registering here, logging back. So I just made, I can try it from the booking section. So yeah, I just accepted this booking history, this one. I just made a car driving request. So car driving request, now the status has changed to accepted, and I still have the review option. So in the review option, I can review the service now. If the service has been completed to me, I will just rate it out of 5. I can ping a comment. So far, I choose to comment like good service, and I will submit the review. So now the reviews have been submitted. In the bookings, you can see just below the booking, it is a review section. So in the review, I have having the request ID, customer ID, comment, and the date of the reviews. So the review section is now updated. Now, in the profile section also, I have this thing in the summary section. Now I have made 2 requests. One is completed, one is still pending. So it is working nicely. Now I will log out of the page, and now I will show you through the admin dashboard. So I will just log out and back to the home page. So this is the home page. So now I'm just going to log in and to the admin page. From this login and admin button, I click on this, and this is the email ID and the password for admin. I will click on the login button, and now I am on the login page of the admin. So on the admin page, I have again a lot of options on the navigation bar. There is a home, services, booking service, summary, logout, and one more, search service request by the name. So what can admin do? The question is, the admin can do a lot of stuff. First of all, he can create a service category for which he wants the services. So just in case he wants to uh, just a servicing category, he can create us anything from the service category, and in description he can add the service category. After the creating a service category, he can choose from the available service categories which he has just created or already created. He can select any category. Like if I want to select electricity service category, then I will choose the service type name. It may be either electricity wiring, electricity repairing, or fixing anything related to electricity. So any services name will be there. Then I will have to assign a base price for the service per hour, which will be a per hour base price, and then average time completion of the required services. So this, and then I will post a brief description of the service which I am creating as a professional, and then I will assign the service to the level professional for the same. If in case if I am creating a electricity related service, then I will obviously I will assign it to the professional one, because it is he's having the professionalism in electricity repairing stuffs. So from clicking the add service type button, it will be added to the services section. So far I have created already a lot of services at admin. So on clicking the services, there are already a lot of services. You can see AC repairing, electricity repairing, car servicing, house repairing, a lot of options. And each of the services has been assigned to the some professionals whose ID is there. There is a base price per hour. And I can have the option of deleting the services or editing the service. So I can edit the service, like if I want to edit the price of car servicing per hour. So there is an option. I can change the price to maybe 650. And now you can see the price has been changed to 650. So admin can do a lot of stuff. He can edit it as well. So and delete or something. So I'm not deleting right now. Then after services, he can choose to view the professional or customer profile. He can delete any professional to throw out from this application. And same goes with the available customers on the website. So there are this much of customers available on this website, and there are this much of professional available on this website. Anyone can be removed by the admin by this delete button. So I'm not deleting it right now. In the booking section, it will take me through to the booking page where all the booking histories made by all the customers are visible to all the professionals. So there are a lot of booking history there already made by the different customers. And there are a lot of, like, it is house repairing, car servicing, AC repairing, window painting, gardening and cleaning, men's salon, a lot of things. So after viewing, as an admin, only admin can view this. So after viewing, I will click back on the dashboard. So I will be back on the admin dashboard. In the summary, I will be given again the graphical interface of this thing. So I can see here, there is a graphical interface. I can have it. I think it is a bit large. I will make it a bit small. Yeah. So it is. So there have been 25 completed requests, 8 declined services request, and 3 is still in progress. And in the user section, again, I have the total users, customers, professionals on the application. So admin can view it as all. Then uh, there is a serve services option which will show the available services by name. So in case if I want something related to paint, so I will search on paint, and now I will go to the services, and there is just one service available related to paint, which is door and window painting, which is assigned to professional ID 005 with a base price of 700 per hour. I can delete or edit this service as well. So I will just to undo, refresh, and it has been updated once again. So it has a lot of options, and again, admin can log out and take me back to the home page. So these were the steps related to this application. Now I am just logging out of the admin, and now I am at the home page. So this is the minimal design and a basic feature and functionality explanation of this website. I hope you will have some idea about the working of this application. I just want you to have some feedback related to this application, what you watched through, what you went through in this video. So that's all from my side. Thank you very much.